Adding music to your Canva designs is a very easy way for you to make your designs more engaging. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 2 new ways that you can add music to your next creation. Without further ado, let's hop in. MelodyMuse is the first tool I'm going to highlight, and it allows you to generate music from words. If you would like access to a free 45-day trial of Canva Pro, don't forget you can use my link, lashondabrown.com/Canva45. Now, all you need to do is type in your text prompt, and this tool is going to create a captivating musical composition for you to use in your designs. You can use it in an existing design, or you can start with a brand new one. I'm going to select Use in New Design and then choose Instagram Story Template, because that's a common thing that I tend to design for my brand. From there, it's going to instantly open up MelodyMuse. You can see at the top, you can describe your music, select the duration, and click on Generate. The maximum duration is going to be 10 seconds, so this is the perfect length for an Instagram reel or to include in your Instagram stories. For the description, I'm going to type in lo-fi study music. After that, I'm going to click on Generate. From there, it's going to generate my melody, and then I will be able to apply it to any Canva template in the template library. Fantastic, it has successfully uploaded the media to my library, so you can see the sound wave at the bottom of the screen. So I'm going to give it a play to see what it sounds like. It's not bad at all. So from there, I can apply any audio effects that I want. I can fade it in, I can fade it out. I can also sync it to the beat once I add in other clips. I can also select the volume if I don't want it to play at 100%. I can bring that down. And then I can go ahead and add some Canva templates to the music so that I can finish out my design. So what I'm going to do is click on Design here. And these 2 templates are really fun, so we're going to put them back to back as a design. So we're going to have the Get Ready for Winter, and then we're going to add the Holiday Sale. Now these clips right now are longer than the clip that I generated, so I can shorten that length by bringing it down here. So we're going to make this one 1.5, and then we're going to make this one, we're going to cut this down to, let's see here, 3.5. And if we do that, you're going to see that the sound wave is going to stretch across the entire project. Now from there, if I want to add a transition between the 2 templates, I can. So we're going to do flow. And when we're done, we can hit play. Not only will you see the videos and the animation, but you're going to hear the music that was generated utilizing MelodyMuse. So when you add transitions to your Canva designs, it is going to truncate the amount of time that the clips play. So if you want to add those seconds back after you add those transitions, all you need to do is select those clips and then edit the length. So in this case, we're down to 4.3 seconds. So we're going to click here and we're going to add 0.7 seconds back to the clip. And that's going to max it out at 5 seconds. From there, you can click on Share, Download, and download it as an MP4 for you to utilize on Instagram or whatever platform you had in mind. So that's just one way that you can create music utilizing a text prompt. Another place for you to look for music now is called TuneTank. So if we click on Apps in the top left-hand corner, we can type in TuneTank with no space. When you click on this, this is going to give you access to another library of royalty-free music that has over 3,000 clips in it. So all you need to do is select Open once you've searched for it within the Canva Apps library. And when you're ready, you'll need to connect TuneTank to your account. So just click on Connect. And you can log in with Google, Facebook, or an email. So you'll see a search bar at the top where you can describe the music tracks that you're looking for. You'll also see categories underneath like lo-fi, Christmas, epic, piano. And if you find a clip that you like, you can click on the heart to add it to your favorites. Your favorites will be located under the Favorites tab for you to access later. I'm super excited about having more options to add music to Canva designs. You can utilize TuneTank or MelodyMuse within your Canva account under the Apps tab. And as always, you can click on the music note on the left-hand side to browse the Canva audio library. Just make sure that you connect your social profiles to your account to make sure you get licenses to the music that you use in your next Canva design. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, be sure to like it and check out my Canva playlist for other ways for you to enhance your next Canva design. Until next time, ta-ta for now.